Hey y'all, Texas Taterbug here. I am beyond stoked. We are just minutes away from the Falcon Heavy first static fire test. Amazing. It's going to be awesome to see 27 engines fire up. I don't know if y'all are anywhere near Canaveral, but it would be awesome to actually watch this kind of thing in person, or even just be close enough to hear it. Unfortunately, I'm here in the Blue Ridge, so I'm not going to be able to do that. In other space news, it turns out that they were up at the International Space Station doing some work yesterday, and for hours and hours the astronauts were outside doing a spacewalk to repair the Canadarm 2 that is, by replacing one of the mechanical hands. It turns out after they'd gone through all that process, hours and hours of work, came back in and they were testing the module, nothing was working, and so they put in a call to IT, and IT said, well, have you tried turning it off and turning it back on again? And sure enough, that's all it took. So new Canadarm for the space station, static fire test for Falcon Heavy today. Great stuff happening in space, guys.